Hello, I'm Mitchell.
And I'm Mason.
Welcome back to Fort Worth Fabric News.
Where today, we're going to be discussing a few different things. We got a bunch of new things in that I know y'all have been waiting for a long time.
I think we should first talk about, so it's been 6-7 months since our last video.
In a minute.
First off, as you can see, new place, right? So we ended up moving to a new warehouse. On top of that, if you remember Ryan, who was doing these videos with me, he actually signed up for the Air Force. So
he flew away.
That kind of put a damper on things, and then
I showed up.
Yeah, we were short-staffed for a little bit, so like we've been a little behind on videos, but I think we're now at a point where we can actually start putting videos out confidently. So,
and not even just on YouTube.
Yeah, we started a TikTok channel. So if you want to go check us out on TikTok, we'll be posting updates on like boxes we open. We'll be posting things like maybe a bundle we're making, just a bunch of cool different things. We might be going live on there a couple times, so you can go check out our TikTok. It is Fort Worth Fabric Studio. You can also check out our Instagram. We're gonna be a little more involved on there, so like our stories and stuff. Same with Facebook. Speaking of Facebook, we have a Facebook group for our mystery kits, which is going on at the moment. So if you're able to get a mystery kit, hope you're able to. We have a Facebook group I hope you're a part of. If not, you can request to join. We are very beginner friendly. Feel free to join the group and
don't be shy.
Get chatting with a bunch of other people on there and get involved with the community.
And if y'all are experimenting with any of our fabric, because we're on all these platforms now, you can also add us at Fort Worth Fabric Studio on pretty much any of those platforms, or you can also use the hashtag FWFS and let us see what you're working with, what you're building.
And you might be featured in one of these videos or one of our TikToks or our Instagram stories. You never know. Scissors. Scissors kind of cool.
Yeah.
The Patriotic collection has these little scissors, Allery scissors. We still have available at the moment. We have 2 colors left. One of them being little sunglasses on it, and then the other one has little snow cones on it, or
popsicles.
If you're interested in any of these are on our website. We will put a link to these in the description.
Next, which one do we do? We can do the, let's do the quilt kit.
Which one?
The Stars and Stripes.
The fabric to make table runner and 4 placemats.
You're talking about this table runner.
Am I?
Maybe not.
Forever, yeah, that was this one.
Yeah. So it's not this?
No.
This is separate. Yes. Don't worry about that.
So this is the Stars and Stripes Forever kit. This one will in fact make the table runner along with 4 placemats. Regularly it is $70.96, but we have it on sale right now for $54.96. So if you're interested in making a July 4th themed table runner and placemats, this will be perfect for you.
Especially for 4th of July.
Next we got this little on-track table runner, which we also have an example for.
Now we need this.
This is what this little one makes. It comes with 2.5-inch All-American strip and the pattern to make this, and this could easily be done by 4th of July. You still have plenty of time, and is a very easy quilt kit to make.
For that dining table or picnic table you got,
yeah.
Perfect. Ooh.
Lastly, we need to talk about this
the big boy.
The big boy, the Starry Path quilt kit. You will get all these different, you have, let's see, a 10-inch... I'm crying from the cough, hold on.
I got you. We got a 10-inch carrot gem right here.
No, that's a 2.5-inch strip. These are 2.5-inch strips. Okay. These are 10-inch stackers, and this is 5-inch stacker.
So we got another stacker, another 2.5-inch.
Basically, you get a lot of pre-cuts in this.
Like this stuff.
This quilt kit is entirely made from pre-cuts.
Yes.
So
it's queen size, by the way.
It is a queen size quilt. So that is, what is that? 84 by 84 inches. That is
big boy.
Big. That's actually
the chunker.
That's actually what we have all of our stuff on right now. So we can probably pick this up a little bit and show.
Yeah, let me move this guy real quick.
So it makes this one. Woo! On that note, what do you have for them?
Well, because it's the first episode back, and we actually have a new name for the show called the M&M Show. First off, we got some M&Ms.
Of course, you gotta follow the theme.
Red, white, and blue themed as everything else is here. We also have a discount code for you for this
kit right here.
For this big boy right here, 25% off.
The code is M&M Starry.
Woo! Right here. Use that one.
Use this code
25% off.
25% off this kit.
Big deal.
This kit is originally $205.96. We are now putting it on sale with that discount code of $154.96. That is a steal.
You gotta take that.
That is a
me?
steal.
For 4th of July, gotta take it.
Do you see how big this quilt is?
Oh my lord.
It is huge.
Jesus. That's what I'm talking about. With that, that'll do it for this episode of the Fort Worth Fabric Studio News.
Thank you for coming back. Sorry for the long delay, but I am pretty confident we are going to be putting a lot of these out now going forward, along with our TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. So make sure to check us out on all of our platforms. All platforms will be linked below. You can check us out.
And that'll do it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
See you next time.